Welcome to session 1. In this session, we will understand the course structure and the course content. What is that we will be learning in this entire course? Let's have a look at the course overview. Number 1, we will understand the need for analysis and verification, and the most important requirement for analysis verification happens from an audit point of view. So we will also understand what is the purpose of audit, and we will learn that what are the different types of audit that an organization needs to conduct. The next one, we will introduce to Tally Prime. We will walk through the navigation of accessing this module, and the two broad reports that we have is one is data analysis and the other one is verification. The next one, we will go into the data analysis sub module, and we will see what are the different types of exceptional report that Tally is predefined, which allows the user to access this report quickly and swiftly. The next one, we will also see how the user can conduct verification of vouchers, and different sampling methods have been provided in Tally for the auditor to verify the vouchers using various sampling methods. Next, we will see how do we manage your data with ease. Tally Prime provides a two very exciting feature, or you can call it as option, where it allows you to navigate any part of the software with ease. The next exciting option that Tally provides is that you can save any report that you are viewing for future recall. In the next session, we will understand the need for analysis and verification. Thank you.